Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says 4 to the power of x is equal to 24. How do we solve for x? Now the first thing to do here is that we can say that 4 is equal to 2 squared. Alright? Common sense. 24 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Alright? Because 2 to the power of 3 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. Replacing 4 to the power x and 24 in this equation, we have 2 to the power 2 all raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Simple. When you have something like this, you simply multiply the powers. Okay? So we have 2 to the power 2x to be equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? Take the logarithm of both sides quickly. So we take the logarithm of 2 to the power 2x to be equal to logarithm of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. Now there are laws of logarithm I will state and then we go ahead. So quickly, the first law I will state is that logarithm of a to the power b is equal to, you multiply b by the logarithm of a. Another law is that logarithm of b times c is equal to logarithm of b plus logarithm of c. And the third law will be that logarithm of b divided by logarithm of c is equal to logarithm of b in the base of c. Okay, we're going to apply these three laws in getting the final answer of this our question. Moving on, let's now apply these laws in this equation. So we now have 2x times what? Logarithm of 2 to be equal to logarithm of 2 to the power 3 plus logarithm of 3. Dividing both sides by 2 times logarithm of 2, we now have that x is equal to, this can be written as 3 logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 3 divided by 2 times log 2. Okay, now splitting this equation, we have x is equal to 3 times logarithm of 2 all over 2 times logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 3 divided by 2 times logarithm of 2. X is now equal to logarithm of 2 times logarithm of 2, so that we're left with 3 over 2 plus half times logarithm of 3 over logarithm of 2. This is now equal to 3 over 2 plus half times logarithm of 3 in the base of 2, if you remember the law we stated. So now this now would become our final answer for x. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.